yours truly, Katie. Going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and the Dark Magic it is. And I'm going to be using the shade Shh. It's like a brownish gray color. I'm going to use a blending brush like that one. I'll have all the brushes listed down below. I'm going to take it in my outer crease and just kind of use windshield wiper motions to blend it in and build it up. I build it up pretty dark because I'm just that dramatic, as you can tell. Alright, now I'm going to use Potion, this olive green color. When I see that color, I think of Hocus Pocus. And take a blending brush like this one. Put it in my outer V, and then kind of blend it into my crease. Shade Shh again. I'm going to use a little detail blending brush, and I'm going to use it on my lower lash line and just kind of smoke it out so it's not a plain white nothingness. Alright, and I'm going to go take Potion. And I'm going to use my little blending sponge brush. Not sure how to explain that brush. I'm going to take that Potion shade and blend it kind of tightly to my lower lash line. With that brush I use with the shade, just kind of blend it out some more. Alright, now I'm going to use Melt Cosmetics Smoke Session. I'm going to use Sour Diesel. I guess that's a type of weed, I'm guessing. Not really sure. I'm going to take another detailed blending brush and I'm going to focus that color on my outer V right there. Just darkening it up, giving it some depth. Milk Cosmetics Gemini palette. It is amazing looking, but I decided to go with this one. And there's other palettes that I keep on buying. Alright, now we're going to use Power Cut in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to use a little flat shading brush. And I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray to kind of wet the brush so that the shade will be a little bit more pigmented. And I'm just going to put it on my inner corner and going halfway in onto my lid. Kind of like a cut crease, but without the concealer, because I don't have time for that. I use my finger a little bit. Sometimes when you use your finger with shimmery metallic shades, for some reason they like to show up a little bit better. I'm going to take that original blending brush from the very beginning and kind of just blend everything out. And I'm going to take Sour Diesel again from the Smoke Sessions palette and a little detailer brush like that. And not be in the frame, I guess. I'm going to put that on my lower lash line, kind of darkening it up a little bit. I probably could have made this a whole lot more dramatic, but I was going to work. I didn't want to scare people away, you know. And I'm taking that olive green shade, the potion shade, and I kind of blend it out a little bit more. Then I use this Lancome, it's like a base for mascara, like a primer. I got a sample from Sephora and I was trying it out. It looks like that. It's white. I'm not really sure if it did anything to my lashes, to be honest. I get the same results with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, to be honest. And it's probably cheaper. And I don't have to buy two different things, a primer and a mascara. Just saying. And then I believe this is, okay, Clinique mascara that I got a sample of. I got that as a sample as well. Trying it out. Didn't see any big difference in my lashes. Blending out some more. Judging myself right now. Yep. And then I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lip Liner in Lolita. Favorite color. And I'm using the shade Mother by Kat Von D. It's a liquid lipstick. Alright, and that is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. hit like, leave some comments. You know the drill. And I will be back later.